What's going on YouTube? This is What Would Josh Do? And this is a little video on something that I thought was pretty cool. I'd never heard of this, but as a nerd, as a geek, as someone who loves knowing, hey, is this charging as fast as it can be? Is this pushing the power it says it's going to push? Am I using too much? You know, like as a nerd like that, who gets so excited he stutters while filming and has to edit it. This thing is pretty cool. I've been using it at work to charge up the devices I have lying on my desk, but I wanted to go ahead and film a video of it. They did send me two, and this was sent to me to make a video on. This is something new and different, and I've never seen something like this. So thanks to not being very close to an outlet, I have my Anchor powerhouse here. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in this guy to the port here. And then we're going to plug this in. And it won't display anything until we charge it. So let's grab the Pixel here. And there we go. So you're getting some numbers showing you the amount of power that's going to it. And it's drawing about 8 watts. Now this button just makes it like off, low, medium, high, or off. So low, medium, high, off. So let's keep it on medium. And let's push this thing. While it's doing that, let's plug in another device. And you can see the ports are each labeled 2.7 amps. So that's the highest they'll go. So my Pixel does not say charging rapidly. Let's plug in this little new mobile G3. And now it's charging as well. So we've got two phones charging. Let's plug in the iPhone and see. So now that's charging. And the third light's on. And we're pulling 18 amps, 18.5. So I wanted to test this little mini fridge that's only good at one thing and extending the amount of time that a cold drink is cold. It will not get a warm drink cold. So definitely don't recommend it if you plan on getting it for that. But you have a cold drink that came out of the fridge, like say you're at work and you want to take little sips here and there, you can do that. It'll extend the duration that it's cold. So let's plug, and it's super noisy. Let's plug this in, and now let's turn it on. There we go. The little green light's on, and that little fan, if you can see that or not, I'll turn it off. And there you go, it's off, so let's turn it on cool. 1 is hot, 2 is cool. So put it on 2, and there we go. Little fan's on, little green light's on. I have actually yet to draw that much power out of it. The fact that it's handling 23 watts right now, it's pretty awesome. The fact that it's pushing 23 watts right now is pretty awesome. Now, I got an error on this phone. I'm not going to be able to measure how fast it's charging, unfortunately. Let's turn the screens off and see if it makes a difference. Staying at about 23 watts right now. So that's awesome. This truly is something I think is cool and different and unique. And I know how much I'm pulling right now. I'm pulling 23 watts out of these 4 ports. If I was to turn off this little mini fridge here, so cooler, you'll see that it drops down. If I was to unplug the iPhone, you'd see how much it drops down. And then unplug the new G3. And now we're just doing the Pixel. Unplug the Pixel. And now we're not pulling anything. So this is awesome. And if you're a nerd like me, I highly recommend getting it. And plus, it's 4 USB ports that could charge up nearly anything. So based on my testing and you being able to see this, this is definitely something I can recommend. And if you're not a nerd, maybe you can go with something different. And I'm not even sure how much this costs. So I'll have a link in the description and you can judge for yourself if it's something worth it to you or not. Pretty awesome. When these are done charging, you'll notice this goes down significantly and then will just draw basically what the little mini fridge is using, which is roughly 5.5 watts, which is what this little mini fridge uses by itself. Links will be in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And also, you should hear about this awesome thing I signed up for if you have a moment. If not, click away now. It's up to you. This is not a sponsorship. My wife signed up for something because she thought it was cool, and I signed up for it, and I think it's awesome, and I can't recommend it enough. It's called DoorDash, and basically, if you sign up, you get stuff for free. So I'm going to show you some of my orders. My wife signed up for it. She got 15 bucks. She ordered some Wendy's, had it delivered. I signed up for it. I was hungry. I wanted some food. I got $15 for free. I ordered some food. It was almost free. My order came out to 36 cents over the $15, and I gave him a $5 tip. So I paid $5.36 out of my bank account. I could have chosen a smaller tip and paid less, but I was getting free food. I wanted to give the dude a decent tip. So I'm at work. I forgot my lunch. I was hungry. I ordered some Jack in the Box. I love their butter jack burgers and their tacos. They're great. Paid nothing at all. Decided to give the dude a $4 tip. $4 got charged out of my bank account. And they showed it to my work late, and they gave me a credit and automatically apologized and gave me a credit. So that was awesome. So I'm at work. My wife's hungry. She wants some food. So I ordered some Chipotle. Guess what? Thanks to everyone signing up, that was free as well. Gave the person a $4 tip. $4 got charged out of my bank account. And then the other night, we're hungry. No one wants to cook. So I ordered some steak and shake. Gave the person a $4 tip. Only $4 got charged out of my bank account. I don't know why the apps are so different on iOS and Android. So check it out. I currently have $31. I can use this to order free food. And how do you get all this free food? Sign up for the app using the link in the description below. You'll get $15 automatically applied to your account. So then you have your boyfriend, wife, brother, husband, whoever, even if they're in the same house as you, you give them your link, they get $15, they order some free food. As soon as it comes, now you have $15 more that you can spend. And it's just a gift that keeps giving. You can keep doing that. And you can earn as much as you want to earn as far as I'm aware of. I'm not connected to this company at all. My wife discovered it. I used it. I enjoyed it. I liked it. I like getting free food. I know other people out there like getting free food. Sign up for DoorDash using my link. You'll get free food. After you get your free food, refer your friend, refer someone in your house, refer your next door neighbor, refer someone at work. You'll get $15 more each and every time someone uses your link and orders some free food. Can't beat that. You really can't. I just think it's awesome and you should try it out. And this is my way of getting the message to you people that enjoy my videos and you stuck around this long to even see this part. Please follow me on Twitter and Instagram if you're not doing so already. This is What Would Josh Do, and I'm out.